those were my pre-cooked tater tots that we smushed in. Now I'm bringing in my ground beef that I cooked up with some taco seasoning, and we're gonna add a scoop of our ground beef right on top of those tater tots. This is gonna be a super easy and delicious lunch appetizer, whatever you wanna make it for. It is so good. Kids love it, adults love it. It's one of my favorite things to make when I have people coming over and I just wanna throw something together that's delicious and easy. So we're gonna just make sure to get our ground beef in each tater tot cup. Right on top of our ground beef, I'm gonna add a little bit of our rotel, which is just tomatoes and green chilies. We're gonna just do a nice little scoop right on top. This is gonna add some great flavor and kind of play onto the Mexican inspired tots that we are making today. But if you do not like green chilies, you could just do some roasted tomatoes, or you could do a pico de gallo. But I personally love rotel, and I love those little green chilies. They're pretty mild. So I went with the rotel, and we're just gonna add a little bit onto each tot. All right, and we all know this is missing some cheese. So I have the Mexican cheddar jack, and we're gonna do a generous amount of cheese on each one, because this cheese is what's gonna hold all those tots together, hold that rotel in there, the ground beef. Also, cheese is just delicious, and it's kind of a play on like a little taco, but with tots, which personally I love tots. But you know, if you don't like tots, you could just do a regular potato and cook that up and smush it in your muffin tin, but it's gonna be tots for me every time. So as you can see, we're doing a nice pinch of that cheese on each little tot cup. All right, my family likes the heat, so I'm doing a slice of jalapeno on each one. Adds a nice color and some great heat. But like I mentioned with the green chilies, if you don't like heat, you can totally skip this. You can add something that you do like on there, maybe like a bell pepper or something, but I am adding the jalapeno because I wanted to bring the heat to this family function. All right, beautiful. And these are ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350, and this is gonna be in there for about 25 minutes. All right, these look absolutely incredible. We are just missing one thing, and that is some sour cream. You could also add some cilantro. You could add whatever you want to these delicious little taco tots. Yeah, that's what I'm calling them, because that's what they are, and they are gonna be so delicious. I cannot wait to give one a try. Let's go for this front one. I just have my little rubber spatula, and look. Woo. Oh, we lost the top, but that's okay. This is gonna be delicious. Okay, let's dig in. Oh, look at those tots, the cheese, the rotel.